You gonna talk to the teddy bears? You gonna talk to them? What did they tell you? What? They told you that they love you and they're your friends? Yeah? That's so sweet. They're so pretty. You think so too? Oh yeah? That was a fussy talk. You getting mad at the teddy bears? You getting mad at the teddy bears? No? They keep going in circles. Yes, they do. You trying to talk, huh? Say something, Booger. You can do it. Say, hey, teddy bears. Say, hey. Oh, you're still tired. Say, hey, teddy bears. Oh. They're not gonna stop. Daddy will wind them back up. He's tired. He's rubbing his eyes. What is it? What is it? What is it, silly boy? Oh. Well, you're talking like a big man already, huh? See, I won't stop talking now. I can make noises. Dada? Is that what you're gonna say first? Alright.